Top 7 fast and easy growing microgreens in only 7 to 14 days. Microgreens are full of antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamins. They are fun to grow, tasty to eat, and have some great health benefits. On top of their nutritional value, they can add flavor, texture, and color to salads and other dishes. Want to improve your vitamin and mineral uptake? We would suggest you have these top 7 microgreens in your kitchen garden. Radish microgreens. Radish is the easiest of all microgreens you've ever grown. Why? Because of its large-sized seeds. When you sow them, they sprout easily within 7 days. Not only will you have a full-of-taste radish microgreen on your plate, you will get an excellent self-confidence boost as a beginner as well. Want to grow them as quickly as possible? Yes, you can even have them in 5 days by elevating the room temperature. Broccoli microgreens. Broccoli is also fast and easy growing. Broccoli and radish are considered as twins because of their taste and growth cycle. They both have large seeds which make them grow quicker. The only difference is seeds of broccoli are colorless. With a mild cabbage-like taste, broccoli has a great nutritious value. Cabbage microgreens. There are several varieties of cabbage microgreens. Red acre cabbage is recommended because of their excellent taste and fast growth. Its beautiful stems and leaves can add aesthetic beauty to the kitchen garden as well. You can harvest cabbage microgreens 10 to 14 days after planting them. Kohlrabi microgreens. Vienna kohlrabi is our all-time favorite microgreen. They taste like sweet, mild cabbage and add beautiful color to salads and other dishes. Kohlrabi has small round seeds. You can harvest them as early as 7 days. Arugula microgreens. Arugula microgreen seeds are medium-sized and lighter in color, making them easy to sow on your soil trays. The seeds also germinate quickly within 2 days at normal room temperature. If you keep them in intense light, you can harvest your first arugula in 10 to 14 days. Swiss chard microgreens. Swiss chard is well known for its remarkable nutritional qualities. Their amazing colors and pleasant flavor make these greens a great choice to add highlights to any salad dish. The estimated time to harvest is 8 to 12 days, and your microgreens will be a darker shade of green. Pea shoots. All microgreens are extremely packed with vitamins, and pea shoots are no exception. Pea shoots are super healthy and easy to grow. Homegrown pea shoots are sweeter and more tender than commercially grown pea shoots. From soaking the seeds to your harvest is 10 days to 2 weeks. By 3 weeks, you should be harvesting the remainder of the pea shoots. So, are you interested in growing microgreens? Check the description box below to learn more. If you find this video useful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Consider to subscribe and please turn the bell icon on so you will be notified when we put out the new video. Thanks for watching.